how to turn off or on also commented notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click hub and then the storylines and then settings, and now scroll down until you find here this one, notifications, and then click scroll down and here we'll find it, and now go to push notifications, turn it off if you want to disable it, and you can enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.